One of my favorite things about Mastery Tours is having all different levels of experience. So we had a couple that were students, some that had just graduated, and then ladies that have been out for 15 plus years.
I've been a stylist for about 7 years.
I have been doing hair for 24 years.
I'm in cosmetology school right now.
I'm still in school.
I have been a stylist for 26 years and I've never had any experience with extensions before.
When I went to beauty school, extensions weren't a big thing, so over the years I've kind of strayed away from them, but now it's something that I have to have in my tools.
With the beads, it's like I'm back in beauty school learning how to weave all over again. It's crazy, but it's amazing. I feel like it's a whole new world opening up to me that I didn't have before.
The microbonding and the fusion I didn't even know existed, so that was really cool to learn.
You could come in with little to no extension experience to, you feel like you are fully proficient and you would still learn something in the Mastery Tour.
This class has really solidified a lot and taught me new methods, just all over about just placements and cutting techniques, and really covers all of its bases.
I think the other times I've learned anything was so quick and minimal. And this goes more into depth, and we're really learning and hands-on, and the instructor's there right with us, guiding us the whole way.
I think when we get in this industry, you feel like you might know it all, but you never do. There's always something where you can always learn something new.
The thing that I love about being an educator is just being able to share the love of extensions. It really took my business to the next level, my personal hair business behind the chair, and sharing that knowledge is really what makes it happen.
My main goal for Mastery Tours and education is that stylists leave feeling prepared. For them to just be able to be confident enough to use the skills they learned and take them out into the salon and start moving, feeling like they got all the information they could possibly have gotten in those 2 days and feel confident enough to jump in and just start extensions.
I would absolutely recommend stylists coming and taking this class. It's super detailed. You're going to feel confident when your client sits in their chair, and it really sends you with confidence outside the door.
It is super easy once you get the proper training and technique, and there's nothing really to be afraid of. It's going to open up a whole new market of clients for you, as well as being able to really give the clients you already have the optimal hair style that they're looking for.
I would just say that it's worth every penny and that it's a really great class and very educational, and I really, really loved it.